Here, and I want to show you a few things about Seesaw that I have learned that are really cool, a new thing you can do. All right. You can make a video using the microphone and you can give multiple directions with your voice on one page by using that microphone to make the directions. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is a old activity that I did about rhyming. If you've watched any of my other videos, I've already used this one before. I'm going to click copy and edit to make changes to this. And I'm just going to slide down here and open up the template that I have for the students. Okay, this template has a recording that I've done previously. All right, and this recording is taking up the entire page here because it covers the page. You might not realize that, but it does. If I press record here, the students listen to this and it's got my voice on it. I've just put it on mute right now, telling them directions on how to move these shapes around and match them up to each other for the rhyming exercise. Now, sometimes you might not want just one direction on the page, you might want more than one. And I know that there is down at the bottom a tool right here that you can use to just record your voice to give instructions on this page. But what if you wanted to give more than one oral instruction for the students? Let me show you how to do it. First of all, I have saved this on here, so I need to make it stop doing stuff. I need to get rid of it, okay? So I'm going to unlock it because it's locked right now. And once it's unlocked, you would see that you can grab this and move it. Look, it's actually sitting over top of the entire page. All right, I'm going to delete it for now because we're going to make a new thing. What if I just wanted it to be that if the kids click next to one of these pictures, it will give them what the word is, because of course they don't know how to read, and sometimes you have shapes or things on there that they might say instead of cat, they might think kitten. Okay, so if it's something they could get confused on, you might want to say it for them. So again, if I click on this just to make one recording down here at the bottom for all of the students, what happens is they can't go back. They have to keep going back and listening again. And I want to leave them something that they can do for each one. As they go to it, they can click on it right here and listen to what that word is or what that picture is. So you do it the same way. You do it with this, but let's watch what I do. I'm going to click this, and then I'm just going to say cat. Cat. Now I'm pausing here for a second. You want to be done, and you're going to click done up here. All I've got on that is just the word, it just says cat. Okay, I'm going to click done. Now here's what I didn't know before. If you grab that recording you just made and it's sitting on top of here, you move it down, you can grab this and make it smaller. Dee, 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 just like you would a picture. I am just grabbing it and scrunching it, and it's getting smaller and smaller. If I just want the kids to listen to that, I can make it teeny tiny over here on the side, and I can lock it in place so that they can't make it bigger to look at it, because I don't really want them to look at it. I just want them to listen to the word. And then I can unmute my computer so you'll be able to hear this when it plays. Sorry if it's too loud. Okay, here we go. When they click on this, it's going to say, boom, that's it. It just said cat. Isn't that fun? I'm going to do it again. Okay, and I can make one now, another one. I can click on this. It says re-record your draw and record. No, I don't want to re-record it. I want to start a new recording. Car. And then hit the done button. There it is. Remember, it's really big again. You got to grab it and move it. You just stretch it down small and then pull it back up where you want it to be. Okay, not hard to do, just something that we might not have thought of before. And now it can say, I can lock it right here so it doesn't move. And then when they click on it, it will read to them. Just like that. I can make one for every single one of these words. And of course, once I give the kids have pretty much learned by now that they press this button to play something, but you can also teach them that or put another little lesson at the beginning to show them, you need to click here to hear each of the words read. You can put some over here for these words. You could use this for so many things. You can even, if you just want to have it be, oh, wait, look, if you double click, it gets really super big, doesn't it? Escape that. Okay, so if I did it again. Okay, click off it. If I click, there we go. Now I can unlock it. You could also use this if you just wanted to do a recording and have it be, only take up part of the page and not cover the whole page that you're showing the kids, whatever you want to do. But I do love the idea that I can do this and make it small. I had some math things the kids were doing where I actually, we have a math program at our school. There's pages that go with it. The kids who are at home don't have those pages. I can zap that page in as a PDF on Seesaw. But the problem was I was going down here, clicking this down here, the quote thing, to just give my instructions for the entire page, but sometimes the page had 3 problems on it. So I was giving all the instructions for 3 problems and hoping that the students could follow through on all of that. Now I know that I can do this. And so for each problem, I can give separate instructions that are needed for the students to do a great, great job on their work. So this is awesome that they've added this and that you can make multiple recordings to be on the same page. And you can do the same thing on the next page. You can keep adding. There's quite a few. Now, I don't know if there's an end to how many you can do on each page, but there's plenty for you to be able to make on each page. All right. Remember, this is Miss Peppermint, and today is a great day to learn.